Hello and welcome to Stairlift Guru. Today we will be looking at signs you need a stairlift installed in your home. But before we start, do not forget to head over to stairliftguru.co.uk to get your free stairlift quote. We are your one-stop shop for all things when it comes to stairlifts. Let us now get into it and start. Here could be some indicators that you need assistance in the home. Climbing stairs may seem to be a simple task, but it may be nearly impossible for others. This may be attributed to a disability, an injury, or even old age. If you continue attempting to climb stairs when it causes you pain and discomfort, you should consider buying a stairlift. This is often an option for others who are either receiving or need assistance. If you're not sure if they're the right choice, here are a few signs you need a stairlift. Painful knees when moving around the home. Do you injure your knees every time you try to use the stairs? If this is the case, you should seriously consider purchasing a walking aid. Painful knee injury is mainly a problem for the aged, and it may result in joint loss, bone loss, and diseases such as arthritis. Consult the doctor to determine which stairlifts or mobility aids are available to you. This decreases the possibility of injuries and simplifies your life even further. Difficulty breathing when walking around your home. If you experience shortness of breath regularly, you would most likely have trouble ascending stairs. Searching for a stairlift. This will help you overcome your respiratory problems quickly and effortlessly, allowing you to move confidently to your home. Back pain that makes it hard to move. As steep stairs rise, back pain, significantly lower back pain, may become excruciating. By repeatedly moving the body, such pain will quickly worsen and lead to a crash. Uncontrollable back pain is one of the primary indicators of why you can buy a stairlift. Broken bones causing reduced mobility. One common misconception is that stairlifts are just for the elderly and disabled, but this is not the case. If you break a joint, such as your knee, and cannot walk/climb up the stair, you will be given a temporary lift into your home. This is a viable option for both people and families. It prevents you from needing constant support or from having to change your situation. You're disabled and need help walking. Signs you need a stairlift. Whether you've been disabled your entire life or have recently been in an accident, you should consider getting a stairlift. This is an option for those who are both permanently disabled or temporarily, as you can either buy or rent a stairlift for your home. Stairlifts offer a grand, and much cheaper, alternative to moving into a bungalow. There are many stairlift companies out there that can help, such as Acorn Stairlifts. You're dependent on friends and family to move around your home. The last sign you need to buy a stairlift is to spend time per day with your loved ones. We recognize that our family and friends would happily help us. However, we don't want to feel burdened. It is often essential to be self-sufficient. To evaluate the benefits of a boost, you must first consider your general health and mobility. Trouble going up and down stairs? Signs you need help. You will see the emergence of people's independence as they grow older. This is a prevalent problem, and it is only one of the oldest in specific contexts. However, it can cause significant difficulties, so it is good practice to spot if someone is having trouble going up and down stairs and then can act and help them. Perhaps they are unable to catch up with their friends. It has the potential to have social and psychological mobility symptoms can often indicate more serious health problems. Stairlifts must therefore monitor indicators of complications, and the consequences must be remedied if required. Early indicators to watch for in people having trouble going up and down stairs. Having trouble going up and down stairs? Signs you need a stairlift. There are several warning signs to look out for, such as the elderly relative having difficulty walking up and down the stairs. They are all as follows: having trouble jumping out of a chair or lying down again. One of the essential cues is a decline. That is also an indication that they are having trouble navigating around correctly, even though a decline is only an anomaly. Falls may often cause more mobility issues due to fractures. When to consider professional care for you or a loved one. Signs you need a stairlift. Often, difficulty climbing and descending stairs, both related to versatility, can affect trust levels. Your parent will care to slip if you are not there so that they cannot do something. If so, this may be the time to start looking at options such as professional care. This would not mean a nursing home immediately, but maybe a service specialist can make the parent more secure in the facility. How to help your relative remain mobile in their home. Mobility issues may have a negative impact on the aged, so do whatever you can to keep them alive. Even a minor loss in movement may be distressing, so keep an eye out for signs, encourage them, and get specialist help if necessary. It must all be safeguarded and tracked. Remember to keep an eye out for these signs of someone who has trouble going up and down. How to cope with mobility problems in old age and on your own. You will want to check strategies to assist your aging parent when their well-being seems to be impacted. Next, think about getting some help with household usability. You will also wish to assist with removing clumps in the household, the safe fastening of carpets and rugs, and the improvement of lighting, both of which will make it easier for your older adult to walk about the house. You may also make more dramatic changes to your home, such as changing the entrance stairs to a staircase and installing a stairlift. Stairlifts do come with a cost and range at stairlift prices, but can be a great way to help someone with mobility issues. There is a many great stairlift companies such as Stana Stairlifts that can help you. Another feature you can do to your home is adding an elevated toilet. When should you seek professional assistance when your mobility gets worse? Begin talking to your elderly parent as soon as you see symptoms of movement problems. Allow them to know that you wish to assist them and that they must be frank with you, just as they must be with every uncomfortable or strict situation they encounter. A visit to the doctor could be worthwhile. Summary of signs you need a stairlift. Signs you need a stairlift. Talk to the doctor before you've made a decision and made a purchase, especially if you haven't told anybody about your condition, which is treatable. Once you realize that the treatment isn't going to work, you can consult with your doctor on whether a stairlift will improve the quality of life. Thank you for listening to our video on signs you need a stairlift installed in your home. We hope this has helped you understand more. If you want to buy a stairlift, then please go to our website and get a free quote at stairliftguru.co.uk, or if you just want to learn more, then go to our website to learn more. Thank you.